Hey everyone, it's Lauren from Otter Valley. I figured I'd do a video of the sound features in the Athearn Genesis ST75i Ontario Northland Canadian National Run, as well as the EMD demonstrator ST70M-2 run. We're going to walk through the different sounds on the units, their running capabilities, and their LEDs. As you can see, the new LEDs are a vast improvement over the previous runs. Phenomenal Tsunami 2 sound. As you see, front and back illuminated ditch lights and headlights. Vast improvement over the previous models with the new LED upgrades. As you see, this one is detailed for ONR in road number 2105 with the blue striping. Now we're going to have a look at the EMD demo. Back here again with the EMD demo. Beautiful, beautiful model. Dimming on the cab. Mars light. Strobe light, I mean. Dimmable headlight. Flashing ditch lights with horn. Really cool features on the demonstrator. An impressive sound with the Tsunami 2 sound decoder. Now let's have a look at the CN version. beautiful, beautiful model. This is available in 4 road numbers. The ONR is available in 3 road numbers. The EMD is available in 3 numbers. And both ONRs feature ditch lights, illuminated LED for reverse. Available at Otter Valley Railroad, www.ovrtrains.com. Toll free 1-877-885-7245. DCC ready, $244.99, and DCC with sound, $344.99. Get yours today before they sell out. Beautiful, beautiful EMD demo. And Athearn's done a magnificent job with the 2105 with the blue striping. Very nice job. Beautifully applied decals. Even the other 2 road numbers, the ONR, very well done. Definitely a must-have model to add in your collection. Anyway, this is Lauren from Otter Valley. Have a great modeling day and talk to you soon.